Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Right, so what we're going to do today is just a quick little video. Just somebody's asked me how to remove the engine covers from the Jaguar engine bay. So it's quite a simple thing, and most of you won't even want to watch it because you will know. But one or two people, when you open these cars, they look at it and all you see is a mass of plastic, and it's quite daunting. So what we're going to do now is going to pop the bonnet and have a look at what we're met with. Okay. When you open the bonnet on these vehicles, you're met with an absolute sea of plastic. Used to be known as beautification panels, engine covers. Basically just a simple plastic engine cover to hide all the gubbins of the engine. And the main engine cover is the top end. You just put your hand under here and lever upwards. It can be quite stiff, and you hear a little pop there. Basically held in with ball and socket joints. Just put your finger under and gently lever the engine cover off. There you go, that's it. And lifts away. What you met with on the bottom, you've got your 4 sockets there, just 4 sockets. And there's your ball. Them 4 there, and they just pop on literally, and that's it. Put that to one side. Now you have these panels here which literally just screw off. These cover the brake fluid reservoir, and they literally they just screw off. And lift away, and that's it. And there's your brake fluid reservoir. Do a bit of cleaning going on down there, shitty. I'll clean that before I put that back. And then you've just got your little lips there, and they just lift in like that. Slot them in, make sure they're in the right hole, so to speak. There you go. And then you just locate them over the that's it. They just locate over the thing. That's it. Now these engine covers, just on the side here, they will just pull away in the same way. They just clicked onto the side of the engine, and they just pull away and lift out. That's it. What these connections here is they're just basically a spring connector that just pops in and then screws down, so they locate like that into the thing. They're supposed to stay in place then. They've been off that many times now, I suppose they just need replacing, so I'll have to get some new ones of these, I think. Just pulls out, pops on there, and that will just literally just make sure you get it located properly. Slides in, goes in like that, and then that just pushes in. and screws down. And this is the tricky part really, is getting this into the right place. You can see it's got cutouts in, like there and there to cover the pipes. Same on the other side. Got a couple of little cutouts in that you need to get in the right place. And it literally just pops in. Once you've got these located, literally just pops in, and that's it, done. That's it. Quite a simple little job really, and although when you look at it, it looks quite daunting at first, it's a simple thing to do. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope that somebody will get something out of it, and happy motoring.